are some of the strangest things that have happened to you at airports? 1. I got into Russia using my sister's passport. My sister and I are standing on the immigration queue, and for some reason our passports got interchanged. When I got to the immigration desk, the officer looked at the passport I handed to him and then looked at my face, and then looked at my face some more, and he had this weird expression on his face. He probably thought he just had bad eyesight or being subconsciously racist and having trouble distinguishing Asian faces. He shrugged it off, and let me through. I flipped through the passport as I wanted to see the stamp, and that's when I noticed I had my sister's passport. WTF. I mean, this is Russia, and this is the immigration desk. They're supposed to be vigilant. Minutes later, my sister was also let through by the same officer. He probably realized the reason for his confusion then, but couldn't be bothered. Oh well. 2 years ago, I was changing planes in Detroit. Because I fly a lot, I was fortunate and got bumped up to first. Taking my window seat as the first passenger to board, I noticed that the truck evidently servicing another aircraft that was pulled up to the gate next to us was slowly backing up in our direction. Then, I noticed that no one was in the truck. Today, post 9/11,